Passive income is income that comes in whether you are working, sleeping or playing. The majority of people earn their living through linear income, which is income that is directly proportional to the time and effort you put in. Passive income not only gives you financial freedom but more importantly it gives you the freedom of time. Today there are more passive income opportunities than ever before, both online and offline. The internet above all has opened up a vast new world with numerous avenues to explore and virtually any market niche you can think of. Spotting a really good passive income opportunity can be a bit of a challenge as the sheer amount of choices can be overwhelming. In this video we are going to share 10 passive income ideas to make money by doing smart and passive work. Number 1. Build WordPress theme by yourself or hire someone. You can create a WordPress theme or plugin and earn passive income from ThemeForest Marketplace. Number 2. Sell Bluehost hosting as affiliate partner. If you know about video marketing, then you can easily promote Bluehost affiliate program with YouTube videos. You just need to review Bluehost hosting service and provide quality information about Bluehost hosting company. Number 3. Create a woodworker video course and sell it online. There are millions of people want to learn woodworking worldwide. If you are expertise in woodworking, then you can teach others by creating a woodworking online course. You just need to build brand name and initial marketing on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter by doing some social media marketing techniques. Number 4. Create business templates, PowerPoints, and ideal documents and sell them for next 5 to 10 years. You can create a bunch of templates on business PowerPoints documents or business planning templates which people can use by paying some amount of fees. There are many websites where you can create a seller ID and sell your templates to get sales passively. Number 5. Build educational forum and ask for membership fees for premium content. Starting in building educational forum can require some years of work, but once you achieve good amount of regular traffic, then you can start getting many paid memberships for your premium content. Number 6. Start blogging. Blogging will be your next passive income idea that can help you make money by spending 10 hours a week. Time for first 2 to 5 years. Write quality articles, do search engine optimization, and monetize your blog with ads, networks, and affiliate product links. Number 7. Create a software and sell it lifetime. Be creative. Find the game-changing idea and build a software to provide the solution to specific targeted audience. You need to create a software by yourself or hire others to do it. For building your own software. Number 8. Invest your money in monthly income schemes. This idea need big amounts of money in your bank account. You can invest your money into monthly income schemes and get 6 to 8% of monthly income for a lifetime. This can be a lucrative income if you're looking for retirement income. Number 9. Create a graphics bundle and sell it online. There are millions of graphic designers are doing online work as a freelancer. If you are good in drawing and can create a graphic bundle, then you can generate good passive income with premium graphic bundle for specific niche. Number 10. Create an app. Creating useful and multifunctional Android or iOS application can be best passive income idea to make good amount of irregular income for a long time. Found this video helpful? Then do like, share, and subscribe our channel to get future videos.